Alright, welcome all of you again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, and today let's have a look at the gold market over here and let's find out what will happen to the market for the next couple of hours probably. Not swing trading, let's focus on day trading and as well for the scalping, right? Let's see what's going to happen to the market for the next couple of hours, like within 24 hours, right? So we're looking at the chart over here. You can see the previous analysis that I have done in the previous videos. You can watch those videos. I'll put the link in the description. Right now, the current market situation over here looks like market is going towards to the upside. But when looking at the main trend from here to over here, we can see a strong sellers are performing up from the previous week, right? So it's still, we can expect that this down move is still continue. This uptrend that started from here to here that currently happening is just a market retest, or we can call it pullback. So this pullback will be ended soon. I think market will run this uptrend like up to around this area, right? So we can expect some kind of a market down reverse area around this area once market reach to this area, right? Like we can pull out the upside like around this area, because the previous market reversing points shows that kind of a market high volatility and volume area. It's just not only a support and resistance line. Most of people think that the market always reversed areas from the lines, reversing lines like support or resistance lines. It's not about that. This area kind of high volatility volume area. So once the market reached to around this area, probably we could be able to see some kind of market consolidations or pullbacks, like at least one or two consolidations. Probably we could be able to see before a downtrend is started, right? Before down reverse started. Or sometimes market could straightly goes down once market reach to this area, like touch the line, goes down. That could happen, but probably I'm expecting at this area kind of a market consolidations, at least two pullbacks to the upside and downside. So this is the down reverse point for me, and then after that there will be another up reverse point too around this area. So these are the scalping areas for me, right? From here we can make some scalp trades and as well some kind of a short-term day trade, like we can hold trade up to like 2 to 3 hours, like maybe 4 hours, 5 hours. And then once market reach to this area again, like once the market create downtrend from here to here, yeah, there will be another pullback to the upside, like just a small pullback maybe, right? So we can make some scalp trades over here, because this area also kind of a high volatility area of buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers are struggling. There are high activity of buyers and sellers around this area. So that's why I am assuming that this area and this area highly volatile and high volume area for reversing points. And as well, even here, here is another down reverse up reverse point of buyers, right? Once market reach to this area, we could be able to see another up reverse point. So these areas for me to make some scalps and also make some day trading, short-term trades, like that stuff. Today, these are the main reverse point for me to make some trades. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with another video. Just stay focused around these areas. See you guys again.